Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today I'm going to be showing you around number 10 Foxgrove Road in Whitstable. Now, this property is positioned really well. Although the location is Whitstable, you're really that Whitstable Tankerton cusp. It's a really good location. So, of course, you've got a lot of options with the layout of this property as well. So coming straight through, you'll see you've got this really large lounge area at the front with that lovely big bay window, and the window there at the side, so you've got real abundance of natural light coming through with this property. Now, this is a detached 4-bedroom chalet style bungalow, and you've got a fantastic amount of ways that you can arrange the living space with this property, because of course you've got a main amount of the living space on the ground level, and then you've also got the upstairs bedroom as well. So we've come through the main entrance hall here. We've already had a look in that lounge there, but we're coming through to the front room here, the second front room with the dual aspect with the 2 windows there, and this is one of the first bedrooms that you could easily use. Now, it's currently used as a study space, and it works perfectly as a study space, but if you are looking to utilize all 4 bedrooms with this property, this one is of course one of those bedrooms. So coming through the main entrance hall again, we'll come through into another bedroom, and of course it's a good size, currently being used as a bit of storage space, but plenty of space here. And again, another window just overlooking the side there as well, so a nice light, bright and airy room this. So again, coming back through to the main entrance hall, you can see the staircase there, and it is really nice and bright up there. But we're going to come through and take a look at the ground floor master bedroom. Now, this room here again has that really nice dual aspect with the 2 windows there, and you've got the fitted wardrobes here as well as that nice little cupboard in the corner. Now, one of the windows here does overlook the rear garden, so you've got a lovely view of the garden space, and we will definitely be taking a look at that a little bit later on in the tour. But for now, we're going to continue on with the rest of the property. So this is the ground floor master bedroom. You've got plenty of fitted wardrobe space there, and again, really nice sized room. So next room that we come across is the downstairs shower room. Again, really good size, nice clean and modern space, and you've got the lovely big shower unit there as well, that lovely walk-in shower unit. So we've had a look already at the lounge and the 3 bedrooms that you've got on the ground level of this property. Now we're in the shower room, and I think next we'll go through and take a look at the kitchen and the dining spaces that we've got on offer with this property. So here we are in the kitchen area, and you can see it's opened up through to the dining area as well. So again, with this room, you've got a lovely set of French doors there at the back, overlooking that whacking great sized garden. Really nice size that. And of course, you've got that lovely little window there to the side as well. And you can just see a glimpse of the garage that you've got with this property too. So of course, you've got the side access from the kitchen there, so you can get easy access out to the garage there. But that garden, really good size. It's 105 feet, and it is south facing as well. We're definitely going to go out and take a look at that in a little bit. But first of all, let's go upstairs now, where we're going to find another double-sized bedroom with the toilet as well. So we'll come through here, and again, you've got these really lovely big windows on the side and at the front, so there is a real abundance of light coming through here, and you've got plenty of fitted storage cupboards here as well, and that eave storage there into the loft space as well. So a really good sized double room this. You could easily shut yourselves away up here and create a real master suite with the space that you've got. And of course, you can see just across the landing there that toilet as well. So now we find ourselves in the rear garden. This is going to give us a really good chance to go through a few of the finer points with this property whilst we have a look around this 105-foot southerly facing rear garden. So of course the property really well located. You're only a short distance away from both Whitstable and Tankerton, and a short drive away from Herne Bay and Canterbury. And of course you've got 4 good sized bedrooms with this property. It's detached. You've got plenty of parking at the front, and you do have the detached garage as well. Now, a real bonus with this property is there is no forward chain with it, so the property is ready to go. If you're looking to settle in this sort of location, this property is going to give you a really wonderful opportunity to just move in straight away and do what you'd like to do. You've got a lovely arrangement of space with this property, and I really would ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies. Ask us as many questions as you like. We always like to have a chat about our properties. Please do give us a call and find out a little bit more about this amazing property, and perhaps even book a viewing. Thank you.